As another deadly blast strikes the Lebanese capital, Beirut, citizens are saying they've had enough. Mobilizing around the hashtag #NotAMartyr, many have posted pictures online denouncing the violence and airing their disappointment with the status quo. The organizers of the campaign explain, "We are victims, not martyrs. We are angry, sad, and frustrated with the current situation in our country, but we are not hopeless." Well, the initiative began after a December 27th bombing in Beirut, which left 7 dead and more than 70 injured. Today's blast in a southern suburb is the third to hit Lebanon in the past 2 months. Our next lead takes us to Malaysia, where tensions have reignited over the use of the word Allah in the Christian Bible. JACE, a regional Islamic authority, is under fire for seizing 321 such Bibles from a Christian group in central Selangor state. The Bibles were using the word Allah to refer to God. That practice was deemed unlawful in October when a court ruled that the Arabic word was exclusive to Muslims. The Bible Society of Malaysia criticized authorities for today's raid, saying it heralded the erosion of minority rights. The hashtag JACE brought out those online who condemned the incident as a case of bullying minorities, with some arguing such raids set a dangerous legal precedent. Well, you can read more about this story at stream.aljazeera.com and let us know what you think. Tweet us using hashtag AJStream. Femi?